really quick, and this is something I always do with a lot of my clients who battle with learning to love themselves, telling themselves that they love themselves. And so one of the exercises that I have them do is, and I have them do it right within a session with me, is say, I love me. Or look at themselves, point to themselves and go, I love you. I love you. And all that comes with you. And also pointing out their strengths. And so it's so important that we learn to value ourselves, point out our strengths, our values, things that we have even accomplished, goals and tasks, and then think about what other people say about us and spend less energy focusing on what didn't work, what we didn't do well, because that just keeps your energy low. It keeps your mood low. And so you don't ever do these exercises that help actually to induce more of the serotonin and the dopamine. And, you can create a cocktail in your brain that helps you feel good. So you can release all of those good feeling hormones, those good feeling chemicals in your brain. You can release them. So to do that, you have to engage in activities that make you feel good. Things that you're more passionate about, right? Things that you love, things that make you laugh. And it could be something simple, like watching a comedy or a show or something, that makes you just laugh, or talk to your good friends. It just feels good all over. So you have to be intentional about helping yourself to feel better about you, feel better about your day. And you could be going through some things. I'm not talking about tragedy, of course, but things that you can kind of control, right? Because you can set the precedence. You can say, no, today is going to be great. Today I'm going to have a positive attitude. I am not going to let people stress me out. I am not going to let anybody steal my joy. I'm going to keep my joy. I'm going to walk in the light. I'm going to be the light. So you can set the precedence by saying those things and declaring and decreeing that this is outside of the things that you can't control, but you can control you. God did give us that ability. Let's not lose our whole mind. We have the ability to do that, but we don't tap into it. We live in an addictive society where we rely on things, people, and substances to make us feel good, which is short-lived. But this you can do every day. God has given you the ability to do that, but you have to be intentional. That's it. Be intentional. Today, I'm going to control me. I love me. I'm going to walk in joy. I'm not going to let nobody take my joy. I'm going to walk in peace. I'm going to command my day, command my attitude, my spirit, my mind today. Anyway, that's all I wanted to drop. Be intentional. That's what I mean when I say live on purpose. You do things purposeful and meaningful, intentional, right? You set your standard today. How you going to respond, how you going to perceive, what perspective you're going to bring, or alternate, whatever. I'm off, guys. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. I may be back on later with my face on.
You can still get your life back. Get your life back. It's real. Get your life back. Get your life